Hello. I want to welcome you to this module, Conversation Business English. I will be your sole facilitator for this module. If you don't know me, my name is Shema Senga Christian. And I'm making this video so that I can take you through the introduction of the module, as well as the format in which the module is set. Let's start now. So if you open your canvas, you land on the home page for the students, and I advise you to really read this home page. So this is the introduction, the description of the module. This module is in the category of business communications, and it has 3 credits, 2 in communication and 1 in BA communications. This information is very important, the class information. This is the Google Meet link we'll be using in our mandatory classes. We'll be having mandatory classes on Wednesdays for 1 hour from 2 to 3, or if you allow, it could be from 3 to 4. And we also have optional office hours for the students who might need support on Mondays from 3 to 4 p.m. If you have a late or missed assignment, please communicate before the assignment is due. And this is very important because assignments are set in different assignment and activities are set in different dates and times, so check well the due date of each assignment. If you feel like we miss it, please communicate using email, but if you can't, you can also use WhatsApp. When you click here, you get to see my email as well as my phone number. So let's look at the way the course is set, the format of the course. So this is how the course is set. It's slightly different to what you are used to. So this is week 1. These are the activities in week 1. But first of all, this is where you'll be tracking your submissions. When you click here, you get to see the way you submit, if you have complete, if you have incomplete. Click on sessions, and then you will see your student ID number, and if you've done the pre-class, you have complete, you have a C. If you have plagiarism, you have IP, incomplete, and plagiarism. So this is very important for you to track on a weekly basis, and then you have the percentage of completed works. I wish everybody gets 100%. This is better because when you don't have 100%, then we go back into each assignment you didn't work on, and you have to redo it after the module ended. So one more thing is the way the course is set. So this is week 1 from the 24th January to the 29th January. I have 2 classes. This is class 1 and this is class 2. You can see this class 1 is open. Class 1 is open, but you need to view it. You need to view this one so that you can be able to start to work on materials. You can't skip any activity. You need to go systematically from the first activity to the second, to the third, to the fourth, and to the last. If you don't work on the assignment, class 2 won't be open. So what you see here as view means that you need to view this page. You need to read what is on the page. Here you see submit. You need to submit something so that the next activity opens up. Let me give you an example. So class 1, let me read what's in class 1. So you have class 1, some reading, we have the objectives, the competencies, learning outcomes, introduction, and the materials. Then, now that class 1 is done, if I hit next, then this will be open. So this is still locked until January 22nd, but it's open. It will work for you when you start this module. So basically that's how the module is set. Yeah, basically that's how the module is set. So you need to systematically go through each and every module. So where you have contributed means there's a discussion board you need to contribute to, otherwise the following activity won't be active. So this is how the class is set. So you realize that I viewed this. It is already written, viewed, and it is ticked. And it is ticked. Sorry, let me go back. And it is ticked. So there's tick there. And also the second activity is now doable. So if it's done, it will also be ticked. So you need to go systematically through every and each activity. So in this class, basically you will learn conversation business English, and there are a couple of sessions that we'll have. You can find the sessions here. When you click there, you get sessions. So we have 6 sessions, and we have 3 main assignments. We will learn how to politely say no, how to use softening language, we create personal anecdotes, we learn business vocabulary, how to hold a business interview, and using appropriate business English. Those are the 6 lessons that we shall be learning. And then we have 2 main assignments, the personal anecdote, and then we have business role play as our final deliverable. So the competencies on which will be assessed is storytelling, adjust tone, develop new vocabulary, discussion participation, and meet deadlines. And then you really need to go through these policies, these main policies for this module, as well as the online learning online guidelines, Kepler learning online guidelines. You need to go through this document as well as this one. So these 2 documents will help you to learn smoothly without making the mistakes of late submissions. When should I submit? How many grades should I have to pass this course? Everything is in the two documents. So without wasting your time, guys, I welcome you once again, and I'm very excited to meeting you on our first Google Meet class on Wednesday from 2 to 3. But in the meantime, we'll have again open office hours on Mondays from 3 to 4. So welcome again, and I wish you all the best. I wish you success. Thank you.